Hey guys, so we're going to go ahead and code the paddle. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and go to the Yellow Events tab and add when green flag is clicked. So when green flag is clicked, we're going to go ahead and go into looks, and we want to hide this because we don't want it to show until we actually start playing our game. We're going to go back to the Yellow Events tab and use when I receive play game, since that's when our intro screen is clicked and that's when we can start playing the game. So when that happens, we're going to go into looks and we're going to show our paddle. We also want to position it somewhere, so we're going to go inside the blue motions tab and add a go to X and Y. Our X is going to be 3 and our Y is going to be negative 149, but again, you can go ahead and play around with these numbers to see how far low you want your paddle to be. Next, we're going to go into looks and add a set size, but we're not going to connect it automatically. We're going to change the number, so maybe I'll try 60, and I'll click on it to see the size. That's about the size that I want it to be, and then I'm going to connect it. So this is just in case a couple of us made our paddles a little bit too big, and we need to make it a little bit smaller to fit our screen to play our game correctly. Next, underneath this, we're going to go inside of our control, and we're going to add a forever. Inside of the forever, we're going to add an if then. Inside of the diamond shape, we're going to go into sensing and add a key space pressed. We're going to change this to right arrow, and we're going to go inside the blue motions tab and change X by 10. Okay. We're going to repeat this process again, so inside of control, adding an if then, adding a key pressed, and I'm going to change this to left arrow, and then a change X by 10, and making this negative 10. Okay. So now when we click on our green flag and click on play, okay, I see where my paddle is. I'm able to move my paddle left and right using my keys. Okay. Alright guys, and with this, it's going to be it for our week 1 core. The next step that we're going to go ahead and take is doing our deep dive lessons, which is going to be changing our paddle when something happens, and then creating the particle effects.